Welcome to my channel, your ultimate destination for mastering finance and business management. Whether you're looking to grow your wealth, build your business, or sharpen your skills, we've got you covered with practical tips, expert insights, and actionable strategies. Let's embark on the journey to success together. Ways to make your home an investment. Are you ready? 8 ways to make your home an investment. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to explore how you can transform your home into a valuable investment. Your home is more than just a place to live. It's a key asset that can provide financial security, growth, and income over time. By following these 8 steps, you can unlock your home's potential and make it work for you financially. Let's dive right in. Understand your home's value. Before you start making changes or improvements, it's important to understand the current value of your home. Begin by assessing your property's market value. Real estate markets can vary significantly depending on location, the condition of your home, and market trends. Start with online property valuation tools, but for a more accurate estimate, consider hiring a certified appraiser. This way, you'll have a clear picture of where you stand and how much potential value you can add with the right strategies. Increase curb appeal. The first impression is everything, and that starts with curb appeal. A well-maintained exterior signals to potential buyers or renters that your home has been cared for and is worth the asking price. Simple improvements, such as landscaping, painting your front door, and updating your lighting fixtures can make a significant difference. Research shows that homes with high curb appeal tend to sell faster and for higher prices. This doesn't mean you need to make expensive upgrades. Small changes like adding vibrant flowers, cleaning gutters, or repaving the driveway can significantly boost your home's exterior. Renovate key areas for maximum reward. Renovating certain parts of your home can yield significant returns on investment. The kitchen and bathrooms are key areas that directly impact a home's resale value. According to a 2023 study by Remodeling magazine, a kitchen remodel typically returns 70 to 80% of the project cost when the house is sold. Consider upgrading to energy-efficient appliances, installing granite or quartz countertops, and modernizing cabinets. In bathrooms, upgrading fixtures, retiling the floor, and installing walk-in showers can also add considerable value. Energy efficiency and sustainability. In today's world, energy-efficient homes are highly sought after, especially as people become more eco-conscious. Installing features like solar panels, energy-efficient windows, and smart thermostats can not only help you save on energy bills, but also increase the value of your home. Homes with these features are often considered more modern, and energy-efficient homes typically see a faster sale and high value in the marketplace. Plus, government incentives or rebates might be available to help offset the cost of these upgrades, making it a win-win situation. Rent out unused space for extra income. If you have unused space in your home, such as a basement, attic, or even a spare bedroom, consider converting it into a rental unit. Renting out this space can provide you with additional income while also increasing the value of your home. Whether you choose a long-term rental or a short-term rental, this is a great way to turn your home into a consistent cash flow generator. Be sure to check with local zoning laws to ensure you're in compliance with rental regulations before starting. Maintain your home's condition. Routine maintenance is an often overlooked but crucial element in preserving and increasing the value of your home. Regular inspections of your plumbing, roofing, HVAC systems, and electrical systems can help identify and resolve issues before they become costly repairs. Well-maintained homes not only last longer, but also retain their value much better. Keep track of repairs and improvements, and address minor issues before they escalate. A well-maintained home will consistently attract higher offers and sell for a better price. Consider long-term rental options. Long-term rentals are another fantastic way to generate stable income from your home. If you have extra rooms or an entire floor that's not being used, consider renting it out. In addition to providing income, long-term rentals give you a reliable cash flow that can help with mortgage payments, property taxes, and maintenance costs. However, be prepared for responsibilities like tenant screening, property management, and the occasional maintenance request. But with the right tenants, long-term rental properties can become an extremely lucrative investment. Explore real estate investment strategies. Finally, consider leveraging your home as part of a larger real estate investment strategy. If your home has built up significant equity, you can use that equity to purchase additional properties. Real estate investments can dramatically increase your wealth over time. Many investors turn to rental properties, commercial real estate, or flipping houses to scale up their portfolios and generate long-term gains, turning your home into a profitable investment. Now, let's bring everything to life with a real-world example. Take the case of John and Emily, a couple who bought a home in an up-and-coming neighborhood 5 years ago. Initially, the property wasn't in the best condition, and they purchased it at a relatively low price of $250,000. Instead of just settling in, they saw an opportunity to turn this house into an investment. Here's how they did it. Step 1. Renovation. They started by upgrading the kitchen and bathrooms, spending about $30,000. Their renovation included installing high-end appliances, granite countertops, and updating the flooring. By focusing on these high-watt areas, they added significant value to the property. Step 2. Renting out space. Next, they noticed that their basement had enough space to create a legal rental unit. They spent an additional $15,000 to convert the basement into a comfortable one-bedroom apartment, complete with a separate entrance and modern amenities. Step 3. Rental income. After listing the basement unit on Airbnb, they were able to earn $1,500 per month, which not only helped cover their mortgage, but also provided extra income. Over the next 2 years, they rented it out consistently, creating a stream of passive income. Step 4. Equity growth and investment. With the home appreciating in value over the years and their rental income providing steady cash flow, John and Emily now have equity in the home, worth $400,000. They used this equity to buy another property in a nearby neighborhood, beginning to build a small real estate portfolio. By following these 8 steps, you can turn your home into a powerful asset that not only serves as a place to live, but also becomes an important part of your investment portfolio. Whether you're renovating key areas, renting out unused spaces, or improving energy efficiency, each step can contribute to a higher return on investment. The key is to take action, start small, but plan for long-term success. Thank you for watching Sapric Your Finance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest insights on finance and business management.